Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's that season, penny stocks. So basically, I'm going to be telling you guys the top penny stocks to buy, why you should buy them, tell you guys why they're bullish and bearish, and honestly, just give you some details on these stocks overall. Recently, man, I'm not even going to lie, I made a decent amount of money on penny stocks, ATAI. I made a video previously, so if you guys want to check that out, I recently sold it and made a 60% return, and I put $10,000 into it. So go check that out only if you guys want to. And I also am currently holding one, Curry, and basically I bought that one at around $3.37. Now it's currently trading at $6.61, making a 96.1 return. And I think I put like, I put around 3,400 into it, and now it's up like 3,240. I don't know exact money that I put into it. I kind of just estimated, but honestly, penny stocks are killing it right now. And I think this video is the best time to make it. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you guys what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm here to give you guys ideas on what stocks to watch and what stocks to kind of get, but only if you do your own research. You're putting your hard-earned money into this, so you guys don't want to lose money. So please take some time out before you put money into any stock and do some research. But we're going to be giving you guys 5 penny stocks to watch in 2025, high risk, high reward opportunities. So this is for the people that's willing to take risk. Penny stocks are shares trading under $5 or $20 Indian. If you guys are from India, you know, we got some viewers from India. What's up? Often representing small or emerging companies, they offer potential for significant gains, but come with high volatility and risk. I'm going to be giving you guys 5 penny stocks, their businesses, bullish and bearish factors, and key insights for 2025. Always conduct your own research. Like I said, please, this is a big thing that I really want you guys to do before you guys put some money in any of these stocks. If you guys want to take your risk to the next level, I made an option course to teach you guys how to trade options and become profitable. It teaches you about charts, option strategies, and literally everything that you guys need to know. Go check it out if you guys want. Thank you. Okay, so the first one is Navitas Semiconductor Corporation, NVTS, what they do. So they're into technology, semiconductors, honestly, pretty big right now. And they design and market power semiconductors, focusing on GaN and silicon carbide, SiC technologies for AI data centers, electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energies. So basically, man, AI is honestly very big. We're still in the AI race. And honestly, with robots and stuff like that coming out, it's only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. EVs also, on the other hand, I mean, we got autonomous vehicles and stuff like that also that can work with this. So honestly, man, a big value. Their market cap right now is 845.8 million as of May 2025. Key information. So recent news, launched the new GaN and SiC products for EV and AI applications in Q1 2025. Their technicals trading above the 50-day moving average, so looking pretty bullish at around $4.50, with RSI suggesting room for growth. Risk note, they are unprofitable, but that's for every penny stock. They're mainly going to be unprofitable. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. So you're probably gonna see the same risk and the same bearish factors for most of these, but it's suitable for risk tolerant investors. So why are they bullish? So they have partnerships with NVIDIA for AI power center technologies, boosting growth potential, forecast revenue growth 23.08 annually, driven by demand for high efficiency power solutions. Their debt-free balance sheet with a strong cash runway supporting expansion. Why bearish? So honestly, unprofitable with increasing losses over the past 5 years. So that is pretty bad for some businesses, but once they become profitable and honestly just show some better numbers, the stock can go up even more. High volatility due to macro headwinds like tariffs impacting the semiconductor sector. And honestly, we have a lot of things coming out with the semiconductors, not even being able to sell to China right now. So it's kind of getting pretty bad. Competitive pressure from larger players in the semiconductor market. Just want to take some time out, ask you guys to subscribe to the channel. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos. Let's try to get 500 subscribers. Let's do it. So next one is going to be Vista Gold Group. Gold, everybody knows about gold. If you guys haven't heard about gold, it's growing right now, especially with uncertainty. Gold grows a decent amount. Industry, they basically mine gold. They are in the development stage gold mining company focused on MT Todd project in Australia. Market cap is 153.5 million as of May 2025. So key information, recent news. They have advanced studies for Mr. Todd targeting production in 2026. So this can look pretty good, especially if you're holding it until 2026 and it comes out, it looks great. Technicals, so it broke out above $1.50 resistance with a 200,000 average daily volume, which is honestly great volume for a stock. Risk note, high risk due to pre-revenue status. Monitor gold price trends. So this is going to move with gold prices. Why are they bullish? So gold prices are near highs, 300,000 per ounce, in 2025, boosting mining stock potential. Profitable over the past 5 years with no debt and high quality earnings. They have a very good management team, and honestly, they're very experienced. Why are they bearish? So pre-revenue stage with a Q1 2025 net loss, 2.71 million. They depend on the gold market a decent amount and geopolitical risk in mining regions. They have potential shareholder dilution from future fundraising. Next one, Tiles Ltd. What they do, so they're basically in the building materials, tiles. So basically, they make tiles, honestly, for residential and commercial use with a focus on sustainable practice. Key information, recent news, board meeting on February 8th, 2025 to finalize the fundraising plans. Technicals, it has bullish momentum above the 50-day moving average. Risk note, monitor economic trends impacting the real estate demand. So let's talk about why they're bullish. 15% stock rally into January 2025 after announcing a 15 MW solar power project. Strong growth revenue and attractive valuation. Recent 1 to 10 stock split enhances liquidity and investors' access. Why are they bearish? They're vulnerable to economic slowdowns, limited international presence compared to larger competitors, of course, volatility due to low trading volume. It is typical of an Indian penny stock. This is an Indian penny stock, so be very careful if you guys don't want to trade in the other countries. Next one is going to be Protilac Biotherapeutics. So honestly, biotech, they make a decent amount of money, but it's very risky. Industry, biotech. So they develop therapeutic proteins for rare diseases using plant cell-based technology. Market cap is 205 million as of April 2025. Key information, recent news, advanced clinical trials for the new protein therapeutics. Key information, recent news, advanced clinical trials for the new protein therapies in Q1 2025. Technicals, reclaim the 200-day moving average, signaling bullish reversal. Risk note, honestly, same thing, high volatility. Why they bullish? They broke out of the bull pennant pattern, closing above the $2.76 with a projected target of $6.25. You can make a decent amount of money, almost 2xing your money. Debt free with $60.1 million in short-term assets against the $30.2 million in liabilities. So that's pretty great. Season management with over 5 years. Why are they bearish? Revenue declined to 53.4 million in 2024 from 65.49 million. With a net income down to 2.93 million. So the revenue is coming down a little bit, but that's not too much. With them relying on a few key products, they have limited revenue diversification. Next one is MATH. And what do they do? So they're in the financial services, crypto. All right, crypto, this can pump with crypto, it can dump with crypto. So keep that in mind. With that being said, man, they basically engage in trading digital assets and contracts. Market cap is 69.4 million. This is one of the lowest ones on our list. Key information, recent news, appointed CFO basically as a director in Q1 2025. So we got to see how that goes. Technicals, they have high daily volume, 1 million shares around with 3% day changes, which is insane. So you can make a decent amount of money day trading this. This is a great day trading one. Indicating momentum, risk note, speculative due to crypto exposure. Basically just monitor crypto chat. So why are they bullish? So reported a net income of 6.04 million, which isn't that much, but revenue surging to 19.72 from $5 million. So that is great. And they're also debt free with a high return, growing interest in crypto markets as digital assets gain traction in 2025. And a lot of people are basically getting interest in crypto. So this is a great one to look at. Why are they bearish? So highly volatile share price due to crypto market fluctuations, inexperienced management team with recent board changes raising concerns. Key takeaway for penny stocks, man. These penny stocks offer high growth potential in sectors like tech, mining, and biotech, but volatility and risk are significant. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals, low debt, revenue growth, and high trading volume for liquidity. Use technical analysts, so moving average, breakouts to time trades. Action plan, research each stock. Please research, honestly. Diversify your portfolio, honestly. Don't have only penny stocks in your portfolio and only invest what you're willing to lose basically into these stocks. If you guys want some safer trades, I have basically a long-term video, so go check that out if you guys want safe trades. Stay updated. You guys can use Yahoo Finance, investing.com. And I make daily videos on the overall stock market, so keep that in mind. But I also like to include how you can personally find a good penny stock too, so you guys can get out of YouTube, you know. But sectors in focus, so look at AI, biotech, quantum computing are hot areas for penny stocks in 2025, often driven by big name tie-ins. So basically like Nvidia and stuff like that, or market hype overall. You could check X. X is X is a great thing, a great platform to use for researching stocks. And basically a price above $1 to avoid the riskiest sub penny plays. If it's below $1, don't invest into it unless you're unless you're confident, you know, or you just got a lot of balls. Caution, penny stocks can be pumping up targets. Always verify news and avoid chasing hype without a clear exit plan. Use stock screeners on platforms like Yahoo Finance or Stocks to Trade. Monitor X for trader chatter. So a lot of people talk a lot on X. So honestly, just stay updated. Check news for catalysts, so earnings, partnerships, and honestly just everything that it works out, especially like the biotechs and stuff like that. But check out our Discord, first link in the description. And thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.